but you add delay and reverb to this, you're really going to build a massive ambient pad. And don't be afraid to move it around and try different positions as well. Just experiment with it. It's a tool. It's there to, you know, inspire your creativity. That's my quick rundown of the Ebow. It's a really cool tool that can add all sorts of different dynamics to your playing. Now, I don't claim to be an Ebow expert by any stretch, but I've had a really good time getting to know it and experimenting with it. The technology